use that to drive economic development. We did something with a municipality in the UK where we took the 20,000 suppliers and we helped make all those suppliers online and drive it and help them to develop their businesses. So you've got a lot of local suppliers here. You are quite often the biggest customer for construction, helping those suppliers to go online, helping their suppliers to go online. You can actually get the whole economy coming online, being pulled by the smart cities. And that's the sort of thing that helps you to actually bring up everything. So you've got the city, it's being built, lots of money going into that, then it's going down to suppliers, then it's going down, and so it's how you drive that sort of thing forward. The other thing we do is we did some work with the UK government to help speed up